Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got washer dryer hookup. Little supply, waste hose, hook up the dryer, and it's time. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. You can learn to repair your own home with the DIY Homeowners e-course, and you can fix it. The Home Menders e-course is easy to follow. Do it yourself for homeowners. Learn the trade and fix your home while saving thousands of dollars and master your domain. Let's get to it. And just like any home project, we're going to start with our trusty channel locks and screwdriver. Now the classic washer dryer setup is we've got a hot and cold line here. Hot, cold, and then you got your waistline. Mine's made out of copper, yours might be PVC or something else. And the one on the left is usually the hot, or sometimes they're labeled with a red and blue knob. All right, so I'm gonna hook my waste hose up here, but I'm gonna make sure I position my band clamp to where it's in a easy to access spot. So I'm gonna put the screw up, okay? I'm gonna screw up, and then we're gonna put the waste hose on, like so. All right. And now, 5/16 nut driver, we're gonna tighten down the screw. Now we're gonna hook up the supply lines. These supply lines get hooked up to the back here. We've got a red one, you can see the tab, and a blue one. So we're gonna have a hot and cold hose. Now sometimes these have hot and cold hoses, but these are not. These are the steel braided with the gasket already in it, so we don't need anything special. If you have the old school black hoses, make sure you got a hose gasket inside. We're gonna go ahead and thread these guys on here. Now I'm gonna remember that here on my washer, these both look the same, so I'm gonna remember that my hot side is on the right of this washer. Get threaded here. Now we're gonna snug these guys down. Take it till it's tight and then just give it another quarter turn and you should be good to go. All right, I'm gonna take my waste hose, put it in this guy here, get it down there enough so it doesn't blow out. There we go. A lot of them have a little hook on it. This one does not. Now, if you remember on my washer, the hot side was on the left here. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I take my appropriate hose. This is my cold, and I'm gonna hook it up to the cold right here. If you don't know which is which, or you have two of the same color knobs like I do, you can always hold the pipe. Feel which one's warm. There we go. Get this guy. Now we take our hot side, get that one on. Now you can hand tighten these and then just get your channel locks on there for the quarter turn. Let's get him plugged in. Check the power. We got power. We'll give him a test cycle in a minute. All right, now let's get these guys valved on. We got our water, you could hear it. There we go. Now we move on to the dryer. This is your typical dryer. You got a cord and then you've got this exhaust line. We take our hose and we fit it onto the back of the dryer there. Now I like to use the foil back tape. It's a sticky back and it's hardcore stuff. Like it stays put. And in my opinion, better than the other band clamps or the spring-loaded ones. Now we hook our other end up to the wall. And let's get a piece of tape there just to hold it in place while we secure it. All right, we got the dryer pushed back in, but you can see it's unlevel, rocking or something. If you reach under the leg, then you can spin out the little wheels. Give it a spin. Dryer. Good to go. Give it a test. We've got power. And where's our start button? So that is it. We just rocked that washer dryer install and you did it all by yourself. Look at you. Now get to washing some clothes. So if that video gave you the confidence to hook up your washer and dryer, go ahead and watch another video. Buy the e-course. I've been hearing great things for your complete fixability. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today. And if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.